right, now that the bed is all squared up to exactly the same width on each side, squared up also to make sure all our gaps line up very well for welding. That's going to be my little flat for my gas tank. But everything is perfectly lined up in the perfect kind of gap to weld easily. Mind you, on this side everything went well. On this side I must have been a quarter of an inch off, so I can fill that, it's no problem. As you can tell, the bends on the sheets are not perfect, so that's always something we can play with. Once we start bracing the side, we can push it in or out to make it all square. Yeah. Hey Jersey, one of the shop dogs. Hello. Yes, you like to smile. So this here's going to be the rear bumper, I suppose. So next step, we're going to add these pieces here. And then once we get that figured out, this is not going to be welded permanently. It's going to be bolted down to make sure I can get to all the wiring for the taillights. Probably going to match the angle on the heading board there, sideways, with the license plate in the middle. Yeah. What do you think of that, Jersey? Is that going to look pretty good? Right on. So let's start doing that.